bike check. It's January 2022. Up here at Turnbull. Baldy still got the snow on it. Gorgeous day. Long Beach. Disneyland. Anyhow, so this is a I think it's maybe early 2000s Univega dual action. It originally had cantilever brakes. That Fox shock was completely flat. It's an air oil, but I stuffed some elastomer bushings in there, so it's got a little bit of cush, but it doesn't work perfectly. These forks, Judy, these are Judy. They had the coil and a elastomer, but I took them out and I put some long coils off of another junk fork, so it's just all one long coil that I trimmed to fit. Painted them. Got a DK stem off of BMX. Scored these handlebars at the Long Beach bike swap meet. $5. They might be off of an ATV, like a quad, the shape, or maybe some sort of motocross bike. I'm not sure, but yeah. So you've got to run a BMX stem with those bars. Threw on some old thumb shifters that I had. Threw on these Avid brake levers. Work pretty good. LX front cannies. I had those rims and tires off of something else, the XT rear hub. I think that front hub is, that rim used to be off our Cannondale tandem. Got some Primo BMX pedals. Pretty nice, an old Univega. It's like a suede leather seat that I've had. I threw that on there because I had nothing else. I put some seat brakes on the back. This has some weird contraption with a wire ran through here, a pivot here, and it was pretty wild. So look, I just unscrewed that one post that I had there, and so that worked out pretty well. I think there's like a 17-inch frame. Fits me nice. I buffed out the Univega decal that I had there, and I polished out the aluminum. I just threw on that sticker there just to give it a different look. But you know, for a parts bin bike, pretty fun. And that's about it. All right.